Welcome to BookWell. In the chart of accounts, you can centrally manage your assets, liabilities, and P&L categories. Click the Import a List button at the top right of the page. In this window, you can download the standard template, set rules for handling duplicate codes, and upload files. Now, let's click the Download Template button. Open the downloaded Excel file and fill in the corresponding information according to the template format. Select the file you just edited and upload it. BookWell will automatically recognize and import the data. Once imported successfully, click Finish to return to the list. Your chart of accounts is now updated. BookWell makes complex financial setup simple and efficient. BookWell, live better.